My wife feels tired.
I feel so tired lately. I have no energy.
Really? How long have you felt like this?
For the last 2 weeks, I feel weak all the time.
Maybe you should see the doctor.
Do I need to? I think it's just stress.
It's better to check. A doctor can do a full health check.
I don't like hospitals.
It will be quick, just a checkup. Then you will know what is wrong.
Okay, maybe you are right.
I can make an appointment for you today.
All right. Thank you for caring.
Of course. I want you to feel healthy and strong again.
I will go. Let's do the tests.
Good. Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
On the way to the doctor. How are you feeling now?
I still feel a little weak and tired.
That's why I think it's good we're going to see the doctor.
Do you really think it's necessary?
Yes, it's better to check now than worry later.
I guess you're right.
Don't worry, it'll be quick. Just a simple checkup.
I hope everything is fine.
I'm sure it will be. The doctor will know what's happening.
I feel nervous.
That's normal, but I'm with you. You are not alone.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. Let's take it easy and relax on the way.
Okay, I will try.
Look, we're almost there.
I hope it's nothing serious.
Don't worry. The doctor will help us and explain everything.
All right. Thank you for taking care of me.
Always. Your health is my priority. Waiting for the turn at the clinic. The waiting room is a bit crowded today.
Yes, I feel nervous.
Don't worry. The doctor will see you soon.
I hope it's nothing serious.
I'm sure it's just a routine checkup.
I feel tired sitting here.
Take a deep breath. Try to relax.
Okay, I'll try.
Look, the nurse is calling your name.
Customer
Oh,
number
it's my turn.
C.
Don't be nervous.
5.
I'll be right
Clinic
outside if you need
number
me.
4.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
You're welcome. Everything will be fine. Calling the dental clinic. Hello, Bright Smile Dental Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello. I would like to make an appointment with the dentist.
Of course. Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah Welson.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. What is the problem?
I have a toothache.
Okay. The dentist is available on Monday at 5 p.m.
Is there any earlier time?
Let me check. We also have 3 p.m.
3 p.m. is perfect.
Great. Can I have your phone number?
Yes, it is 010-123-45-678.
Thank you. Your appointment is on Monday at 3 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Okay, I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day. At the laser clinic.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Good evening. I would like to ask about laser sessions.
Sure. For which area?
For my legs and underarms.
Okay. Have you done laser before?
No, this is my first time. No problem. The doctor will check your skin first. Hello, please have a seat. Hello, doctor. I will check your skin and hair type. Okay. Your skin type is normal and your hair is dark. This is good for laser treatment. How many sessions do I need? Usually 6 to 8 sessions. Is it painful? You may feel slight discomfort, but it is very quick. How long is one session? About 20 to 30 minutes. How often should I come? Every 4 weeks. How much does it cost? The price is $50 per session. Okay, I would like to start. Great, we can book your first session today. Perfect, thank you. You're welcome. Please avoid sun exposure before and after the session. Okay, I will. Thank you.
At the Dermatology Clinic.
Good afternoon. Please come in. Good afternoon, doctor. What seems to be the problem? I have hair loss and I also have pimples on my face. I see. How long have you had this problem? For about 3 months. Is the hair loss heavy? Yes, especially when I brush my hair. Okay, let me check your hair and skin. Okay, your scalp looks weak and your skin has acne. Is it serious? No, but we need to know the reason. I will ask you to do some blood tests. What tests, doctor? You need a complete blood count, an iron test, vitamin D test, vitamin B12 test, and thyroid function test. Okay, why do I need these tests? Because hair loss can be caused by low iron, low vitamins, or thyroid problems. What about my skin? For your acne, I will give you a treatment plan. You also need healthy food and more water. Is there something to help my hair grow again? Yes, plasma injections, PRP, can help. What is that? We take a small amount of your blood, then inject plasma into your scalp. It helps strengthen the hair roots. Is it safe? Yes, it is safe and very common. You may need 3 sessions. Okay, doctor. I will also give you a medical shampoo for hair serum, face cleanser for acne cream for night use, and sunscreen for daytime. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Come back after the test results. I will. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care.
At the dentist clinic. Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
How can I help you today?
I have a toothache.
I see. Which tooth hurts?
The back tooth on the left side.
How long have you had this pain?
For 2 days.
Is the pain strong?
Yes, especially when I eat.
Okay. Please open your mouth.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. You have a small cavity.
Oh no, is it serious?
No, don't worry. It is not serious.
What should I do?
I will clean the tooth and put a filling.
Will it hurt?
You may feel a little discomfort, but I will give you anesthesia.
Okay, doctor.
After the treatment, avoid very cold or hot drinks today.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please brush your teeth twice a day.
I will, thank you.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the eye clinic. Good morning. Please sit down.
Good morning, doctor.
What is the problem?
I cannot see far objects clearly.
Since when?
For about 2 months.
Do you have headaches?
Yes, sometimes at night.
Okay. I will check your eyes. Please look at the eye chart on the wall.
Okay.
Can you read the first line?
Yes, I can.
What about the third line?
It is a little blurry.
And the last line?
I cannot read it.
Now I will test each eye. Cover your left eye, please.
Okay.
Read the letters.
E, F, P. I'm not sure about the last one.
That's fine. Now cover your right eye.
Okay.
Can you read this line?
No, it is not clear.
You have mild myopia. That means you have difficulty seeing far.
Is it serious?
No, it is common. You just need glasses.
What is my eye degree?
Your right eye is -1.50 and your left eye is -1.25.
Okay. Do I need to wear glasses all the time?
You should wear them when you drive, watch TV, or look at distant objects.
How often should I check my eyes?
Once a year is good.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take this prescription to the optical shop.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care. At the internal medicine clinic.
Good evening. Please come in.
Good evening, doctor.
What brings you here today?
I don't feel well.
What are your symptoms?
I have stomach pain and feel very tired.
How long have you had this problem?
For 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Do you feel nausea?
Yes, especially after eating.
Okay, I will check your temperature and blood pressure.
Okay.
Your temperature is 38 degrees. Your blood pressure is normal.
Is it serious?
I think you have a stomach infection.
What should I do?
I will give you some medicine. Take it 3 times a day after meals.
For how many days?
For 5 days.
Should I avoid some food?
Yes, avoid spicy and oily food. Drink more water and rest.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you don't feel better in 3 days, come back.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.
At the reception desk of spa.
Hello. Welcome to Relax Spa.
Hello. I would like to book a spa session.
Of course. What kind of treatment would you like?
I want a facial and a massage.
We have a relaxing massage or a deep tissue massage.
I prefer a relaxing massage.
Great choice. The session takes 1 hour.
That sounds good.
Have you visited us before?
No, this is my first time.
Wonderful. Please fill out this form. Hello. I will take care of you today.
Thank you.
Do you have any allergies or skin problems?
No, I don't.
I will start with the facial cleaning, then apply a mask. After that, we will do the massage.
Perfect. I want to relax today.
After the session, drink more water and avoid makeup for a few hours.
Okay, thank you for the advice.
Your total is $70.
Here you are.
Thank you. We hope to see you again.
I will come back. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a relaxing day.
My friend complains of obesity.
I feel unhappy. I think I am too fat.
Oh, don't worry. You can do something about it.
I don't know. I tried, but nothing works.
Maybe you should see a nutritionist.
A nutritionist? What will they do?
They can make a healthy meal plan for you.
And exercise? I don't like sports.
You don't need to do too much. Start small. Walking, yoga, or light exercise.
Really? That can help?
Yes. If you follow a plan and move more, you will see results.
Okay, maybe I can try.
I can go with you to the nutritionist. We can also exercise together.
Thank you. That will help me a lot.
No problem. Let's start this week. You will feel better and healthier.